What is going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on your 2017 Ford Explorer. So this process works from, I believe, 2016 on to 2019. So what you want to do first to change the battery is, see this little tab thingy, you want to push it in, and while you push it in, you want to open the key, like from where the little trim is over here. Key opens just like that. And to change the battery, you see a little spot right here at the front. What you want to do is you can put a coin, or in my case I'm going to use a key, and you could just put the coin or the key right in there, so it would go in like that. Hope you guys can see that. And then just pop it open like that, and then this will come up, and then you'll see the battery in there. And to get the battery out, you can use your finger if you want, and the battery just comes out like that. And then so the battery is not dead, it's just that the battery on the Ford Taurus died, so I thought maybe I'll make a video on how to do it on the Explorer. And then once you put the battery back in, you want to make sure where the writing is, the positive side, is facing down. So you put it in like that, and then just close it up just the way you opened it. Should just click in. There we go. And just clicks in just like that. Make sure the key works. And then you just put the cover back on, and you're good to go. Everything is working. I'm just testing the keys as I sit in the car. Everything's working fine. That's how you change the battery in this key fob. So it doesn't have to be like a Ford Explorer to follow the process. Like if you have a key that's like this, it'll be the same process, and it's pretty straightforward. So thanks for watching, guys.